Earn money online. How to earn money in online? There are many ways to earn money online. Here are some popular methods. Freelancing. You can offer your skills and services on various freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. You can offer services like writing, web design, graphic design, programming, virtual assistants, and many more. Affiliate marketing. You can promote products or services of others and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. You can sign up for affiliate programs on platforms like Amazon, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Online surveys. You can participate in online surveys and get paid for sharing your opinions. Some popular survey sites include Swagbucks, SurveyJunkie, and Toluna. Online teaching. You can teach subjects you are proficient in on online platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or Skillshare. You can also offer private tutoring services to students in need. Content creation. You can create content on platforms like YouTube, Twitch, or TikTok and earn money through advertising revenue, sponsorships, or donations. Dropshipping. You can start an online store and sell products without owning inventory. You can source products from suppliers and ship them directly to your customers. Online trading. You can invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or forex markets and earn money through buying and selling assets. Blogging. You can create a blog and monetize it through advertising, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing. These are just a few ways to earn money online. It is important to remember that earning money online requires hard work, dedication, and patience.